Welcome to our in-depth review of the Seabank Resort and Spa, an all-inclusive gem nestled in the heart of Mellieħa Bay, Malta. This 4-star superior resort is a haven for families and couples alike, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Let's dive into what makes this nautical-themed paradise a standout destination for your next Mediterranean getaway. First, let's talk about the accommodations. The Seabank Resort and Spa boasts an impressive 536 rooms and suites, each designed with a charming nautical theme that perfectly complements the resort's beachfront location. While the official website doesn't provide exhaustive details on room types, we can tell you that these spacious havens are well equipped to ensure your comfort. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle Mediterranean breeze, perhaps with a stunning sea view from your private balcony. The rooms come with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a 4-star superior resort. Air conditioning to keep you cool during those warm Maltese days, free Wi-Fi to keep you connected, though we recommend disconnecting and enjoying the scenery, an in-room safe for your valuables, and an HD TV with satellite channels for those lazy evenings in. But wait, there's more. Each room is equipped with an electric kettle, perfect for your morning cup of coffee or tea, and a ceiling fan for additional comfort. The bathrooms are a treat, featuring a shower/tub combination and complimentary toiletries. And let's not forget the daily housekeeping service, ensuring your room stays as fresh as the sea breeze throughout your stay. While we don't have exact dimensions, guests have reported that the rooms are spacious and comfortable, easily accommodating families. The nautical decor adds a whimsical touch, making you feel like you're on a luxury cruise ship without the seasickness. And for those traveling with little ones, family-friendly amenities are available to make your stay as smooth as sailing on calm waters. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. The Seabank Resort and Spa doesn't disappoint in this department. With 6 on-site restaurants included in the all-inclusive package, your taste buds are in for a treat. While the official website is a bit coy about the specifics, we've done some digging to give you a taste of what to expect. The main buffet restaurant is a culinary world tour, offering international cuisine that's sure to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Imagine piling your plate high with fresh Mediterranean salads, succulent roasted meats, and decadent desserts, all while enjoying views of the sparkling sea. But here's where it gets interesting. If you're staying for 7 nights or more, you get access to additional a la carte menus. This means you can enjoy a more intimate dining experience, perhaps savoring authentic Maltese cuisine or indulging in a romantic Italian dinner. And let's not forget about the bars. The resort boasts multiple watering holes, including 2 poolside options perfect for sipping a cocktail while working on your tan. There's also a terrace bar, ideal for watching the sunset with a glass of local wine in hand. And if you're feeling fancy, why not attend the manager's reception? It's a great opportunity to mingle with other guests and maybe even score some insider tips on the best local attractions. Speaking of attractions, let's dive into the pools and beaches. The Seabank Resort and Spa is located directly on Malta's largest sandy beach, Mellieħa Bay. This means you're just steps away from soft golden sand and crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. Imagine waking up, grabbing your beach towel, and within minutes, feeling the warm sand between your toes. It's the stuff vacation dreams are made of. But if you prefer pool to sea, don't worry. The resort has you covered. While we don't have exact numbers, guests rave about the multiple pools on offer. There's bound to be a perfect spot for everyone, whether you're looking to do some serious laps or just want to float lazily in the sun. And for those who like a bit more action in their water activities, the resort's beachfront location means easy access to various water sports. While we don't have specifics from a hotel, it's common for resorts in this area to offer activities like jet skiing, parasailing, and paddleboarding. Just imagine the thrill of zooming across the Mediterranean on a jet ski, or the peaceful serenity of paddleboarding at sunset. And for the little ones, there are sure to be shallower pools where they can splash and play to their heart's content. Don't forget to grab a lounger by the pool or on the beach. It's the perfect spot to work on your tan or lose yourself in a good book. Now let's talk about activities, because the Seabank Resort and Spa is all about keeping you entertained. While we don't have a comprehensive list from a hotel, we can paint a picture of what you might expect based on similar resorts in the area. First up, there's likely a well-equipped fitness center for those who like to stay active even on vacation. Picture state-of-the-art cardio machines and weight equipment, maybe even with a view of the sea to inspire your workout. For the sports enthusiasts, there might be tennis courts where you can challenge your travel buddy to a friendly match. But it's not all about physical activities. The resort probably offers a range of cultural and educational activities too. Think cooking classes where you can learn to whip up some Maltese specialties, or maybe wine tasting sessions featuring local vintages. There could be dance lessons where you can learn some Mediterranean moves, or arts and crafts workshops where you can create a unique souvenir to take home. And let's not forget about evening entertainment. Many resorts in this category offer nightly shows, from live music to professional dance performances. Imagine sipping on a cocktail while watching the sun set over the Mediterranean, then enjoying a spectacular show under the stars. It's the perfect end to a perfect day in paradise. After all that activity, you'll probably be ready for some relaxation. That's where the spa comes in. While we don't have specific details from the hotel, we can imagine the kind of blissful experiences you might enjoy. Picture a tranquil oasis where you can indulge in a range of treatments designed to soothe your body and mind. There's likely a sauna and steam room where you can sweat out the stresses of everyday life. Massage treatments probably range from Swedish to deep tissue, maybe even incorporating local ingredients like olive oil or Mediterranean herbs. For those seeking a more holistic approach to wellness, there might be yoga classes offered on a sun-drenched terrace overlooking the sea. Imagine starting your day with a sun salutation as the Mediterranean breeze gently caresses your skin. There could also be meditation sessions to help you find your inner zen, or perhaps nutrition consultations for those looking to overhaul their diet. And let's not forget about beauty treatments, facials, manicures, and pedicures to have you looking as good as you feel. The spa is likely a child-free zone, offering a peaceful retreat for adults to recharge their batteries. Now let's talk about the little ones, because the Seabank Resort and Spa is a paradise for kids too. While we don't have specific details from the hotel, family-friendly resorts like this typically offer a range of facilities and programs designed to keep children entertained and parents relaxed. There's likely a kids club where trained staff organize fun activities throughout the day. Picture arts and craft sessions, treasure hunts on the beach, and maybe even some educational activities about Malta's rich history and culture. For the more active kids, there might be sports activities like mini golf or table tennis tournaments. There's probably a playground where little ones can burn off some energy, complete with slides, swings, and maybe even a pirate ship to spark their imagination. Some resorts even offer mini discos in the evening, where kids can show off their dance moves while parents enjoy a quiet dinner. And for the tech-savvy kids, there might be a game room with the latest video games and consoles. The resort likely also offers babysitting services, allowing parents to enjoy a romantic dinner or spa treatment while knowing their children are in safe hands. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.